As a technician, your job is not all rainbows and unicorns. Some of your clients can be pushy, in a hurry, or even angry, and often fail to explain their issues clearly. All this might make you more frustrated and cause you to spend eons fixing a problem. Introducing Zoho Lens, an interactive remote assistant software that uses augmented reality to provide a comprehensive view of the client's situation or even get instant support from an expert to assist your customer. Zoho Lens lets you invite customers to join your session through email or SMS. Once they've joined, you can view their problem through a smartphone or smart glass camera on their end, be it repairing an appliance on the Blink, trying your hand at a car repair, or fixing an unstable internet connection. Zoho Lens can solve issues beyond your computer screen. Not only that, you can capture a snapshot, freeze the camera stream, and interact through voice over IP or text chat. With the help of annotation tools, you can also add extra virtual information to the live video stream. All this lets you explore, analyze, and discuss a particular issue further. Moreover, Zoho Lens enables you to record and document sessions, which means you can effectively go back in time and observe precisely what happened and how. Save time, reduce costs, and work smarter with Zoho Lens.